Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you use templates in Capcut. Now just go to Capcut app. Here you can see in the bottom second option template. Click on it. You can see many kind of templates here. You can also choose template just by searching in the top search bar, or you can also choose templates just by like beat, meme, lyric video, fun play, etc. I'm just showing you a template how to use it. Just click on a template, and after going to the template, here you can see in the bottom right option use template. Click on it. Here you can see you need to select 3 clips here. I'm just selecting 3 photos in the top right photos option. After selecting 3 photos, click on the bottom right preview option. You can see the template is completed. Now click on the top right export option. You can export without watermark or only export it with watermark. I'm exporting without watermark. So guys, this is how can you use templates in Capcut. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.